In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access a telehealth visit as a Philadelphia Fight patient through the DoxyMe website. To do this, you'll need some kind of electronic device, whether it's a phone, a tablet, or a computer. So you have two options for how to join your appointment. You can either join through a text message link that's sent to your phone, or you can join through an email link. To enter via text, your provider will send you a text with a link in it. So just click on that link. It'll take you to this screen where you enter your name and click check in. To enter via email, your provider will send you an email with a link. Click on that link and it takes you to this screen where you can enter your name and click check in. After checking in, you'll have to enable your device's camera by clicking enable camera. So this will take you to your appointment screen. Before your appointment, make sure to complete a pre-call test by clicking the box in the bottom left corner that says pre-call test. This will just run some tests to make sure that your audio and everything is working. You can also view yourself in the upper right corner there. If you hover over the dots on that screen, it gives you some settings, so you can mute yourself, turn off your camera, or hide your preview. You also have a few options that are viewed in the middle of the screen towards the bottom. You can disable your video, disable your audio, access call settings, or end the call. You can also click in the bottom right corner if you want to chat with your provider. At this point, you just need to wait there, and when your provider is ready, their video will pop up on the screen.
Hi, and welcome to your telehealth visit at Philadelphia Fight.
Thank you. If you have any issues using telehealth, you can contact your provider at the numbers listed below.